Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. The dog slept in our room last night, and so Jojo and Simon are just looking out the window, checking out the snow. We just got like 12 to 14 inches of snow, I believe, and so they are super excited to go outside. Simon is from Las Vegas, and so he hasn't really seen a lot of snow. So I'm just slipping on my slippers, and we will go downstairs. They are always so eager to go downstairs because there's food and water down there, and today, snow. And there's the water. Before we go outside, I am just gonna get on my winter coat and my snow pants because I hate being too cold, and so why not just bundle up and avoid the miserableness of being soggy. All right, through another gate we go downstairs, and now it's time to saddle up the dogs, as we say. Jojo wears a harness. She is pretty good at walking and not pulling. However, she gets really excited about snow. Simon, on the other hand, he uses a training collar because he is still pretty young and still needs to be trained. Just poke Jojo's little arm through and clip. And Simon is super good about getting saddled up as well. They just love to go outside. They'll do whatever it takes. All right, first time seeing snow for a while. We had a little bit of snow earlier this winter, but it melted, and so this was our first batch of fresh snow that they had seen in a while. We currently live in a townhouse, and so what we do to take them out is just walk them around a little square, and they love it. They are just so excited to be out in the snow today. The snow is super deep. I kept getting snow in my boots because my boots don't come up super high. But Jojo bounces like a bunny in the snow. It's so funny. And there we have a potty from Jojo. Win there. And Simon's pretty good at waiting. They're both pretty good at waiting for each other when we go out for a bathroom break. You can see how deep the snow is. It comes up to the bottom of his body. Some dogs choose to not step a foot in the snow. That is not our dogs. Now we're running because they like to run. So I decided to just take off and run with them. But yeah, Shibas typically love snow. They enjoy jumping through it, running through it, eating it. Jojo likes to chase ice chunks when we kick them, so it's pretty fun. We were just playing in the snow. Jojo kind of enjoys this whole kicking of the snow. She's loved it since she was a puppy. She thinks it's hilarious. Simon really doesn't know what to think yet. He's trying. And there they are, little snow bugs. So cute. He's eating it. Alright, now it's time to go back inside, degarb of all of these snow stuff and make sure they have plenty of food and water for the day. So during Christmas time, I kept their food in this little Christmas tin, but I should probably change that soon as it's not Christmas anymore. And now it's some me time. I am just making a nice cup of coffee. And by cup of coffee, it's Saturday, so I am treating myself to a full-on iced latte. So I just got this espresso maker not too long ago, so I am super excited to always use it. Some playtime. They like to wrestle a lot, so here they are, just doing their thing. They really wanted my coffee at this point, but they can't have it. Now we're doing just some cuddles, some little cuddles in the morning. Simon is way more cuddly than Jojo. It's just part of his personality, and of course all dogs have different personalities, and I love them both so much, but I definitely enjoy cuddles. Simon is going to be, how old is he? He's going to be a year old in April, I believe. And so he hasn't really shed at all or needed a brushing, so this is actually his first brushing, and he had no idea what to expect, but he did a great job. Kind of the way we've raised Simon is doing things with Jojo first. So like when we were teaching him how to sit, we told Jojo to sit. She kind of showed him how to sit, and so I just went through Jojo. It's not filmed, but I brushed Jojo a little bit first, and he was like, oh yeah, this is okay. But yeah, he really needed a good brushing. He's just starting to lose some of his winter coat, I think. I don't really know. But he's molting a little bit in his back legs and stuff, so I figured I would just help him out and brush it out. There's a big pile of fur. So I just got a little bit ready for the day, and Levi made me some hash browns for breakfast, and I just know that they're gonna be good because I've had them before. Right, Levi?
That's right.
Make some pretty mean hash browns. Anyway, I'm eating breakfast. Hello. I am at work right now, except for this weekend I'm doing my husband's job. Let me make sure this is plugged in. And so this is gonna be where I'm posting up today. I will be playing keys and singing. Just hanging out, waiting for people to show up. So I will just sit here, maybe practice a little bit. Probably have another half hour before anyone comes. So yeah, I'm just hanging out. But that's what I'm doing this afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock. So yeah. Well. Hi everyone, it's Monday night. I think the last time I filmed was on Saturday, and so I hope you enjoyed the video. I just want to say go ahead and subscribe, comment, like the video, whatever. I'd love to connect with you, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again.